So I just found out Ami Colé is closing down. This is a Black-owned brand by a Black woman. Personally, I'm not gonna act like I ever heard of it because I have not. But I heard she sold them for Sephora or whatnot. So I'm gonna make it my business today to get my hands on whatever I could by this brand. And I know she was founded, from doing my little research, she was founded in 2021. And unfortunately, I understand like we show up for so many other brands that are very, very popular in this community. We mostly follow trends. So I'm taking it upon myself to go and purchase whatever I can today. And then I'm going to come back and review with you guys and give my own honest opinions because unfortunately, it doesn't happen for anyone else, but it happens to us a lot. And as a previous business owner, I can completely understand the disappointment that she might feel and others as well who actually use the product on a day-to-day basis. Let's get ready to go to Sephora to get some Ami Colé products. I'm using all black owned products on my face today. This is a black owned TikTok brow gel lamination. It's called Raw Essence. I'll tag them below. I use this every day, even if I do not fill in my eyebrows, which today I'm not in the mood to do a full face of makeup. I just want something to make me look awoke. Because right now, as you can see, it's still giving bad hair. Honestly, this is the best product on the block, to be honest, too. And it's no shade, no tea to anything else because I do have other products that does the same thing, but it does not give me what I want. And this gives me exactly what I want. Brow before, this is my brow now before. And I have very thick brows. To be quick when you do this because of course it dries really, really fast and bad. It'll be on all day. This is how it looks. So you can get it, I think it's about 20 bucks. So you can get a lot of product for 20 bucks and it lasts long. If I tell now I'm just going on with my complexion stick from Threads Beauty in shade 90. It's a deep. And so I'm between 70, 80, 90. This, like, I don't know. The shade 70 looks great on me, but you see, this is still a little too dark. But when I blend it out, it don't even look too dark. But if I don't use too much because it needs to kind of match down there. But I just blend it a little bit with the other one because I don't have shade 80. Why I don't have shade 80, I don't know because I bought so many of these because I used to do makeup at one point. This is shade 70. It's 10 natural. So this one is more my color as you can see. But for me, I like to mix it like I said, and it's just a complexion stick because I'm not in the mood to do a whole face of makeup. I'm just going down. You guys can see. Very lightweight. Any blemishes you can't really tell. But you can see. Now let me go ahead and get my hair down. You know, I wrap my hair every night before I go to bed. Now for my scent of the day, I am wearing Forever Moon NDA. Love this scent. Literally bathed in it. I mix it sometimes with my other perfumes, but today this is all I want to wear. So let's go to Sephora. We made it back. I wasn't able to get everything that I saw that I wanted before I went, but I was able to get something. So this is the Amani Colé mascara. Do not have a black on mascara. So I am adding this to my collection of mascaras, especially something just, yeah, my throw on days when I'm just rushing. Well, not, I don't want to say rushing, but when I'm really just, okay, I don't want to do too much, something quick to look put together. Like now, a quick put together. That's going to be my go to. All right. Bye, guys.